massive land scam has been unraveled just 100 meters away from the Jodhpur Air Force Station. The land was acquired by the Indian Air Force in the year 1986 but was not transferred until the year 2005. Times Now has accessed a copy of the letter written by an RTI activist to the Defence Minister requesting them to begin a probe into the matter.
Massive defence land scam unraveled in Jodhpur. This land, located just 100 meters away from the Jodhpur Air Force Station, was acquired by the Indian Air Force in 1986 but was never transferred in its name until 2005. In the same year, a private builder got the land registered in his name and even converted land to residential for a housing project.
ये रक्षा भूमि का एक बहुत ही बड़ा और गंभीर घोटाला है जो जोधपुर में एयरफोर्स की जमीन की फर्जी रजिस्ट्री के रूप में सामने आया है। सोहनराज सुराणा, सुरेश गांधी, अभिनव कुंभट और श्रेयांश डागा नाम के 4 भू कारोबारी हैं। इन लोगों में से कुछ लोगों पर पहले भी रक्षा भूमि घोटाले के आरोप लगे हैं।
Times Now has accessed the copy of the letter written by the RTI activist to the Defence Minister, a copy of which was sent to the Prime Ministerial Office. Documents clearly show that despite several reminders from the Air Force officials to the district administration, the land was never transferred in its name.
रक्षा मंत्री महोदय, प्रधानमंत्री महोदय, राष्ट्रपति महोदय, राज्यपाल महोदय को इसकी शिकायत कर सीबीआई जांच की मांग की है, लेकिन अभी तक केंद्र सरकार ने भी इसमें कोई कार्रवाई नहीं की है।
RTI activists' allegations prompting the Ministry of Defence to begin probe into the matter.
You see, the defence land for Air Force was acquired in April 1986, and till 2005 there were no discrepancies on demarcation and physical holding of this particular defence land, and mutation of this particular land was not carried out since 1986.
Bureau Report, Times Now.